everyone, it's me ER, and today I have a plan with me for you guys. I'm just filming this intro just to say hi to you all, and I've missed talking to you guys, so I have been filming some videos that I will be uploading throughout the weeks for November and hopefully this December as well. It's been a busy, crazy few weeks for me, family events and just news and everything you'll see in this video. I'm gonna film this with a voiceover so that I could turn on my AC and film at my own pace. But let me talk about the kit that I will be using. At first, I'm using my Mega Weeks Hobonichi planner for 2019. I am also going to be using this kit, which is the Cutie Spice kit that I make for my shop. If you're interested, it's linked down below. And then I would like to share with you guys what I did the other day. I went back and memory kept this page right here, and I've used the kit from Barel Designs. I wanted to film a video about this, but I was at a coffee shop, I was waiting for my friend, and I had time, so I just thought I'd plan during that time yesterday, and so I did. It's great because I use my Hobonichi as a scrapbook as well. Now, I haven't filmed a plan with me for last week, but I'm gonna proceed to this week and share with you guys what I'll be doing. And I have been using my Erin Condren planner because I've talked about it in this channel as well, but I've recently just found myself grabbing it and wanting to plan on it. As you can see right here, here we go. I like planning on it mostly with pens rather than with kits. So if you want me to talk about that, I'll probably talk about that in December. But anyways, I have my coffee with me and I'm gonna film this plan with me, and come join me, guys. I started with adding the washi strips at the bottom of the page just to add some deco and to cover the dates at the bottom. The next thing that I did was write down the dates on the date covers. I don't usually do this, but for this week I added the date covers. I also decided to mark the lines on the Hobonichi Weeks because these are faint lines and I wanted to make them a little bit darker, so that's what I did. I also wanted to have a little bit more structure on the right side of the page, so I added some lines as well to that one. As you can see, I was listening to jazz music while filming this video. I'm just adding in the date covers. I find that using a tweezer to put the stickers easier than just my fingers, just because I have fat fingers, I think. Anyways, so I added the deco boxes throughout the week, just on random days, but somehow these actually coordinated to the days that I've used them. I added the check boxes on the right side with enough room on the left so I could put highlights during the day whenever it happens. And here are a lot of the pens that I've used in this plan with me, which I will be listing down below if you're interested. I added a this week header on top to mark the highlights of the week, and a must-do list on the right. These are things that I want to accomplish during the week. It doesn't have to be a daily list. I have a daily list on my A6 or my Erin Condren desk planner. I added one of these Polaroid type stickers that says call, but I decided to cover that with a sticker from Whimsical Cat. This is to signify that I got to hang out with my boyfriend during that day through a call, and we decided to watch Rick and Morty's first episode of the current season, which I'm really excited about. We like to watch that occasionally together, so that's what I did at the beginning of the day, and that's the highlight. I usually just put highlights on the left side of my planner, and I write down the details on my journal, which is the A6. On the second day, which is Tuesday, explains why I was actually feeling a little down during that week. It was because it was Red Day, it was the time of the month, and I was feeling overwhelmed with a lot of the things that I've planned on doing because around that time, my best friend from high school, actually asked me to be her maid of honor for her wedding this December. So I said that the date was set for the wedding on that one as well. I'm not getting married. It's my friend's wedding, which I'm helping out with. So that's that. Also, I'm going to be helping out with my cousin's wedding also in December. So that's what's been in my mind right now. On Wednesday, I got to hang out with my friends, Eula and Victor, and I got to take a day off on Wednesday and got to work at night instead. I was filming this on Thursday, that's why I already have things to put in the highlights pages. On Thursday is where I filmed this video. As you can see, I used a whimsical cat sticker as well. On Thursday is when I paid my Etsy fees, or Thursday is the due date rather of the Etsy fees, and then wait, hold on. I got confused. Friday is the due date, and then I pay before that, so I paid on Thursday. Anyway, this is new to me, the voiceover thing, so hopefully it doesn't distract you guys from the video so much. I just added more of these post-it note stickers that I have. I like marking down some highlights during the day with that one. I was able to do my cousin's wedding invitations on Friday. I marked that down on my planner. On Saturday, I planned on looking for a dress for the wedding, for my cousin's wedding, and meet Nadine, which is one of my friends, for her stickers as well. I got to hang out with my mom on Saturday, which I enjoyed a lot. We went to get the dress on sale, and we were in line for a while because there was a sale and everybody was making sure that they got their hands on things that they want. There was a big sale at a mall that we went to, so we stayed in line for 2 hours, which is funny. And Sunday was just my get your shit together day, and this is when I'm filming this or editing this video and doing this voiceover. And then on the right side, I just added a weekend box on things that I have to do. I started filming me writing down all my must-do lists, but for some reason my camera cut off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was all over the place, but it is a quick video. Here's the end of how my planner looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed, even though I was rambling a lot. I'm gonna put the details down in the description. I'm gonna see you guys till next time. Bye!